Gillian here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my top 5 foods for boosting your mood and having a happy mood. I don't know about you, but I like to feel happy. I eat super clean, so I'm very in touch with what foods make me feel good and what foods make me feel bad. And these are my top 5. I'm saving the best for last, so you want to tune in to the end of this video to see what that is. You'll be surprised by my last food, I'm pretty sure. First of all, I want to let you guys know, in case you don't know, that about 90% of the body's serotonin is produced in the gut. So that is greatly responsible for the mood we have. So there's a huge connection between your gut and your brain. If you didn't know, most people are aware of that nowadays anyway. So essentially, when you feed your body, you're not just feeding this vessel and your physical body, you're feeding your mind and your mood as well. So how you eat greatly impacts how you feel and the moods you have. Let's get started with the number 1 food. It is blueberries. So the beautiful blueberries are rich in antioxidants. They're high in flavonoids, which greatly increase your mood. So many studies have shown that only 2 hours after consuming blueberries, people feel way more optimistic, joyful, full of life, happy, and mentally alert. So in conclusion, blueberries are not only good for your mood, but they're also good for your brain as well. Number 2, these are one of my favorites, are walnuts. So walnuts are great. They actually look like a brain and they're very good for your brain. They're super high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are an important nutrient for your brain and your mind and your mood. So these are a fantastic food for mood. They're one of my top mood boosting foods. When I eat walnuts, within like an hour or two, I'm feeling like so much more high vibe, listening to music, feeling super happy. So these are great. And what's interesting about walnuts too is this great study was done out of the University of New Mexico, where they took men who had anger issues and they introduced walnuts into their diet. So the men who consumed walnuts in their daily diet had a decrease in their anger levels by 31%. So walnuts are great for boosting your mood and decreasing anger. So if you're feeling angry, maybe on the way home from work today, instead of picking up a pack of smokes or a bottle of booze, go and pick up some walnuts and see how you feel. Number 3, we have the banana. So the banana is shaped like a smile for a reason. The bananas make you want to smile more, make you feel good, and they do make you feel happier. It is a proven fact. Bananas are high in vitamin B6, which synthesize into feel-good neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. So they have you feeling good. They're a great food for boosting your mood. You could add them into smoothies or just eat them on their own. Next up, we have chickpeas, which are a huge mood booster. When I first turned into a mostly raw vegan, I was still eating a lot of chickpeas in my daily diet, and they make me feel absolutely fantastic, and they really boost your mood more than you realize. So they contain an essential amino acid tryptophan, which converts into serotonin in the body and makes you feel good all day long. So these are a great feel-good food, full of nutrients for you and boosting your mood. I have saved the best food for last, which will probably surprise you. I discovered how good a food this is in your mood and making you feel, making you laugh within the last couple years. And this food is olives. So olives are absolutely amazing, and one thing I want to say is I hear people say olives are a raw food and other people say olives are not a raw food. So if you know if they're raw or not, technically what they're classified as, if you could let me know in the comments below, because I still don't know. Olives are super rich in a certain gut-friendly bacteria, which when you eat them in your body, it feeds the good gut bacteria in your body and greatly increases your mood. So you will notice if you add moderate amounts of olives into your diet, whether that be through your salads or just eating them alone, you will be laughing more and feeling a lot happier. It's a proven fact, and it is definitely my top food. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and I definitely do hope you add some of these foods into your diet and get laughing and feeling happy. And I will see you next time. Bye.